In today's video, we're going to be discussing what's better, a liquid highlighter or a powder. So I'm going to take you guys on a deep dive and really show you guys what the differences are. So let's talk about a liquid highlighter first. Obviously, this is good for 6 months. A powder is usually good for 24 months. This one happens to be the Halo Tint Highlighter from YSL. I've reviewed this on my channel before. Now you can put this on the back of your hand to warm it up and then apply it to the face, or use a palette. Today I'm going to be using a palette. So I'm just going to apply just a dot of highlighter right here to show you guys. With this particular highlighter, I chose it because when I reviewed it for you guys, I shared with you, it really dries down super fast. And I feel like this is something I need to share with you guys. When you're using this, honestly, it blends out beautifully. I'm just going to show you guys right here. Like, this is a stunning color. Love that. You're getting that pigmentation. It's really shiny. It's very frosty. It's a beautiful shade, but this dries down fast. There are 2 ways you can go in to apply a liquid highlighter. You could go in and tap it onto your finger like this. Tap right here just to get a little bit of that product off because you don't want it to be too intense, and then tap, tap, tap right here and blend out with a brush or blend out with your finger. So today I'm blending out with my finger. This is really cute. It is subtle. You still get that highlight, but it's not super intense. Now, if you do want it to be a little bit more intense, I'm just going to take a fluffy brush right here, something really fluffy, soft, and subtle. And I'm just going to apply a little bit here, soft circular motions, and taking the other side of my brush that has nothing on it to blend it out. You're going to get more of an intense payoff, and it's just going to give you that pop, that little bit of more of a zhuzh. And it's just really pretty. So this one is from Saie. This is a liquid highlighter. This one is definitely more of a serum, and it's not going to give you as much of a glow when the YSL is definitely more frosty. But this is really great for underpainting if you just want a pop of glow. A kind of a glow from within look that's going to come through your foundation, especially if you're working with more of a matte foundation but you want it to be a little bit more glowy because you want that coverage of a matte but you want it to be more glowy. This is a good way to go about it. Mix in something like this with your foundation. It's going to give you more of an immaculate glow. The best thing about a liquid highlighter is that you're going to get more of a 24-hour coverage when a powder highlighter could fade on you throughout the day. So just something to keep in mind. So if you want something that's going to stay all day, go with a liquid. And if you want something that you're okay with it fading because your blush might fade and your highlighter might fade and you want to go back in and do your makeup a little bit later on, then go in with a powder highlighter. So this is the iconic Scott Barnes Glowy and Showy #1 palette. If you want the highlighter, the king of highlighters, it's this one right here. So I'm just going to open this up for you guys. This is like his original, like OG palette. And I think the newer ones are a darker color. I think they're brown. But this is the original palette. So this one right here, beautiful shades. They're all super stunning. I'm just going to swatch this on the back of my hand so you guys can see. Super amazing. So this is intense. Like, that is a highlight. Like, that right there is just amazing. Now when it comes to powder, this could fade on you. This one, honestly, like the palette in itself, this is going to last you probably a good 12 to 14 hours of wear where it's not going to fade because it's an amazing palette. Some other amazing palettes when it comes to a powder highlighter are the ones that I love. So this one is actually a Pat McGrath blush and highlighter trio. I love the highlighter in this. This is why I picked this up to show you guys in this video. So I'm just going to swatch the Pat McGrath here. So again, she is one of my favorites for a highlight. So if you're looking for something that's really pretty, this one is super gorgeous as well. Love that. And then this one right here, this is the NARS Orgasm. This is an older palette. I hit pan on this. This one is phenomenal. Like, I don't even know how to describe this to you guys. Like, it's just amazing. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to show you guys this color as well. So it all depends what you're looking for. I mean, if you want something that's going to glow to the gods and be beaming, like one of these three that is your vibe 100%. Like, it's just amazing. But this video is about a liquid highlighter versus a powder highlighter. So I'm going to show you guys the difference. So when it comes to using a powder highlighter, I like to go in with a small but fluffy brush. This one happens to be by ColourPop, and this is actually called an F33. This is probably my favorite brush, and it's a ColourPop brush, but this is my favorite brush for applying a highlight. So I'm going to show you guys. So this is the one I swatched for you, which is Twilight Sands. I'm going to actually go in with Twilight Sands. I'm just going to pick up. I know I'm not going to need that much. I'm just going to tap this off because I don't want, and this is a pet peeve, something you need to be careful about when you are applying a powder highlighter. If you apply too much and don't tap off, you're going to have highlight that falls on your face. And then if you do, don't worry, I've got you. To take a really big powder brush and just wipe it away, and you're going to be fine. You can definitely recover from that. So I'm just going to, again, do small circular motions. You guys can see the difference, right? Holy smokes, that is blinding. I mean, I barely put any on. Again, I could go in and blend that out if I wanted to, but even if I just put a little right here on the tip of my nose, it's stunning. This is a blinding highlight. When it comes to a liquid highlighter, again, you're going to have more of longevity throughout the day with this. It dries down super fast. It doesn't budge. Like, I could rub here and rub and rub and rub. That's not moving anywhere. But this, if I did the same, not that I would normally rub my face like this, it's going to be like totally gone in the center. So if you are looking for more of a budge-proof makeup, definitely go in with something that is like the YSL, and it's going to dry down faster on the liquid end of things. This one, clearly, it's fabulous, but it does move. Alright guys, if you loved this video, don't forget to check out my review right here on the YSL highlighter because it is phenomenal. Guys, if you loved it, hit that like button and thumbs up this video, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys don't miss when I drop a new video. Mwah. Live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!